If your pull-ups aren't improving, it's not your strength. And it's definitely not your grip. It's your form. Fix these 4 mistakes, and your pull-ups will change fast. Mistake 1, no real dead hang. Most people skip this part completely. They rush reps, and never reset. But a real pull-up starts here. Arms straight. No swing. Full stretch. Skip this, and you lose progress. Mistake 2, pulling with your arms first. That's why you feel it in your arms, not your back. Your shoulder blades should move first. This activates your lats. Fix this, and everything changes. Do scapular pull-ups. No arm bend. Just shoulder movement. Mistake 3, overthinking grip. Wide grip is not magic. It often makes things worse. Less range. More stress. Just use shoulder width. Mistake 4, bad body position. Too stiff, and you lose power. Instead, use a slight arch. This puts your back in a stronger position. And makes every rep more effective. Quick checklist. Dead hang. Back first. Simple grip. Slight arch. Fix these, and your pull-ups will improve fast. Even 5 clean reps beat 10 bad ones. Comment how many pull-ups you can do, and subscribe to get stronger.